Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a do-it-yourself face mask for 20 cents. Yes, you heard that right. 20 cents. That will work better than any cream out there, no matter how fancy or how expensive. This isn't just inexpensive, it's a super anti-aging powerhouse. It's going to nourish and visibly tighten your skin, leaving your complexion looking unbelievably youthful, vibrant, and healthy. And here's the kicker. If you're battling stubborn hyperpigmentation, pesky active acne, or those annoying red spots that just won't quit, make sure you follow this video to the very end. I'm going to reveal the missing link that takes this secret to an entirely new level, a truth the multi-billion-dollar cosmetic industry prays you never discover. What's our incredible, accessible, and unbelievably potent secret weapon for this powerhouse mask? The answer might surprise you with its sheer simplicity. It's the humble, yet mighty, egg white. This is where the instant magic happens. It's incredibly simple to prepare. You're just going to take the white of one fresh egg, carefully separate it, ensuring no yolk gets in, and put it into a clean, non-porous bowl. Give it a quick, gentle whisk, just enough to break up its viscous consistency and make it easily spreadable, but we're not aiming for stiff peaks here. Now for the application. You're going to apply a very thin, even layer to your clean, dry skin. You can use your fingertips, a clean brush, or even a cotton pad. Spread it all over your face, neck, and even your décolletage if you wish. Immediately, you'll start to feel a subtle, cooling sensation. Then wait about 15 to 20 minutes, or until it completely dries and hardens on your skin. As it dries, you'll actually feel it working its wonders. What's happening? Egg whites are primarily made of albumin, a protein. As this protein dries on your skin, it forms a temporary, invisible film. This film creates an amazing, immediate tightening and lifting effect. You'll feel it firming everything up, those fine lines around your eyes, the skin on your forehead, even sagging areas. It's like a natural facelift in minutes. This temporary tightening can also make your pores appear visibly smaller and more refined, giving you that coveted airbrushed look. Beyond the tightening, egg whites also have mild astringent properties, helping to gently pull out impurities and excess oil from your pores. It's truly amazing how quickly and effectively this simple ingredient can work to give your skin a more youthful, refreshed, and incredibly smooth feel. That first step alone with the egg white is pretty powerful, right? But now we're going to take this anti-aging hack to the absolute next level, turning it into a complete, deeply nourishing anti-aging treatment by adding one more thing. Can you guess what this secret weapon is? Think beyond the obvious. This incredible, often discarded addition is super high in something a shocking number of people are deficient in, and that deficiency shows directly on your skin, vitamin A. And the more deficient you are in vitamin A, the rougher, duller, and more prone to breakouts your skin tends to be. This ingredient isn't just high in vitamin A. It's loaded with a treasure trove of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamins D, E, K, a full spectrum of B vitamins, including biotin and niacin, essential for skin health, and incredibly beneficial choline and lecithin, all of which are wonderful for truly transforming your complexion from the inside out. If you guessed the rich, golden egg yolk, you are absolutely 100% correct. You're already using the egg white for that instant lift, so why not incorporate the yolk too? It's a powerhouse of nutrients that your skin is literally craving. Let's break down why the egg yolk is so revolutionary. The vitamin A in egg yolk, in its natural form, is incredible for skin. It's a precursor to retinol, which is often hailed as the gold standard in anti-aging. This natural vitamin A helps accelerate cellular turnover, meaning it helps your skin shed old, damaged cells faster and replace them with fresh, new, vibrant ones. This process actively diminishes the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and even softens deeper creases. It also plays a critical role in supporting healthy collagen and elastin production, restoring your skin's natural firmness, elasticity, and youthful bounce. For those struggling with hyperpigmentation or dark spots, vitamin A can help by inhibiting the overproduction of melanin, leading to a more even, luminous skin tone. Then you have vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your skin cells from environmental damage and premature aging. Vitamin D supports skin barrier function and overall skin health. The B vitamins are essential for healthy cell function and energy, keeping your skin vital. And choline and lecithin, a natural emulsifier found in the yolk, provide deep moisturization and help to create a supple, smooth texture. So, while the egg white delivers that incredible instant tightening factor on the skin and visibly minimizes wrinkles, the yolk acts as a nutrient delivery system, directly infusing your skin with all these essential vitamins and beneficial fats. This creates a balanced, comprehensive treatment that provides both immediate visual improvement and long-term cellular regeneration. Together, the egg white and egg yolk provide an unparalleled healing and regenerative factor for your complexion that synthetic creams can only dream of. Now that we have our complete nutrient-rich egg mask, let's talk application and how to maximize its benefits. Always start with a freshly cleansed, dry face. Using your clean fingertips or a soft brush, apply a generous, even layer of the entire egg mask over your face, neck, and décolletage. You want full coverage to ensure all those incredible nutrients absorb. Leave the mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll feel it tighten as it dries, and that's a good sign it's working. Once your mask has worked its magic, gently rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use soft, circular motions to help lift away any dead skin cells, giving you a gentle exfoliation. Then, softly pat your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. Your skin will immediately feel incredibly soft, smooth, and refreshed. It's like a professional spa treatment right at home, but without the exorbitant price tag. For optimal results, do this incredible mask 2 times a week. Consistency is your true secret weapon here. Pro tip for the ultimate glow up. For an even more profound boost, especially if you're battling breakouts or inflammation, you may want to add a teaspoon of plain, unsweetened organic yogurt to your mask mix. Yogurt contains beneficial probiotics that support your skin's delicate microbiome. A healthy balance of bacteria on your skin can significantly reduce inflammation, redness, and breakouts. Plus, the lactic acid in yogurt provides an extra layer of gentle exfoliation. Just make absolutely certain it's not sweetened. We want pure, plain, unadulterated goodness. This is a very, very inexpensive, but incredibly powerful anti-aging hack you can use to supercharge your journey from the outside in. But true, lasting radiance comes from within. And to attack aging from both angles, from the outside in and the inside out, I also highly recommend eating more eggs in your diet. I personally eat 4 eggs every single day as part of my healthy, balanced meals. Consuming eggs is like giving your body a superfood. It's the highest quality protein you can eat, loaded with complete amino acids vital for building and repairing healthy skin cells, collagen, and elastin from the inside out. When you cook them, always use healthy, stable fats like extra virgin olive oil, real butter, or even coconut oil. Crucially, avoid inflammatory seed oils like corn oil, soy oil, or canola oil, as these can actually promote inflammation that ages your skin prematurely. Now that you know how to use this amazing face mask to transform your skin externally, it's time to go even deeper. It's time to truly heal and elevate your skin from the inside out for a radiance that doesn't just look good, but feels good from your core. My incredible anti-aging hackers, you now hold the precise blueprint to unlocking your most radiant, vibrantly youthful skin, naturally, powerfully, and unbelievably affordably. This isn't just a recipe. It's a profound lifestyle transformation, a reclaiming of your inherent, ageless beauty, a direct defiance of the deceptive beauty industry that thrives on your confusion and expense. If you've been inspired by this magical journey, if you're genuinely ready to see your own skin undergo a breathtaking rebirth, then please smash that like button with all your might. It tells us you want more of these incredible anti-aging hacks, and it helps us spread this truth far and wide to those who need it most. And remember, don't keep this golden glow a secret. Share this video with every single friend, family member, or loved one who deserves to experience this unbelievable transformation. Imagine the ripple effect, the collective glow up we can inspire with just one incredible ingredient. Subscribe to Anti-Aging Hack right now, if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another one of our groundbreaking natural recipes. We're on a passionate mission to empower you with the very best anti-aging hacks nature has to offer.